Good morning from the UK, it's Jo, one half of the Crypto Sisters. Just a few things to go over this morning. Firstly, you will start to notice a difference in our videos. If you see here, we used to put the Union Jack on everything. We just thought it would brand and make our channel stand out, so you would always see our videos, you wouldn't miss any if they came up in the search. But we've decided we're not getting the subscribers we thought we would. So we are going to see how it works, see whether we get more people. Oops, Cashew Bob's popped up. See if we can get more people by actually putting photos up on the channels. It's a bit of a test, really. What do you think? If you put your comments below, that would be great to let us know. Do we stick with the Union Jack, or do you think we'll get more subscribers if we actually have the photos? See what you think. Leave your comments below, that'd be great. If you're new to the channel, we're pretty new here. We've only been going about 4 weeks to a month. We're not new in crypto, but we are new on the channel. So please subscribe and hit that bell, and then you'll be updated. What we try and bring is a little bit of everything. We are not tied to any one YouTuber. We like a lot of YouTubers. We have favourites, which we shouldn't say, but we do. PJ3, Adventures in Bitcoin. But we do like a lot, and we do watch a lot, and we are subscribed to a lot. We go right the way from the Oracle, Mike Michaels, Craig Grant. Now, don't hate for that. We find it interesting to keep updated. There are a lot of YouTubers out there that are hated. There are a lot of YouTubers that are loved. The reason we go right the way around the houses with these YouTubers, and we watch a lot, Kistino's another one we watch a lot of, is because this is how you get your information. We listen to the good, the bad, the ugly, and then make our own mind up. We enjoy listening to what they have to bring to the table. We don't care about these, well, we don't care all the gripes and the hate and the drama these men have. I thought women were bad, but my word, the men with the drama. Stop your big egos, guys. Settle down. Settle down. You don't have to fight between yourselves. And I think what we've noticed is the more followers the guys have on their YouTube channels, the bigger the ego. And then they start calling themselves like the Kingpin, or I don't know, I mean, obviously the Oracle, who used to apparently be called Antonio, but there's no issue there. I haven't got anything against him, but, you know, just be real. And then there's the Godfather, and I don't know, the King of YouTube or whatever. Just be a real person. We really like PJ3 and Adventures in Bitcoin because they're probably our two favourites, because they're just normal. They just talk how they want to talk. They say what they need to say. And there's no pretense, there's no big ego. They just try and help people, and that's what we like. We're here to help as well. We will do our best to upload some really good content for you. I do capture, as I can, certain things I think would be of interest. We will be putting some more videos about how to do crypto, some newbie videos, because I think it's very important to understand that when you come into this world of crypto, even the simplest sayings that goes around like FOMO or FUD, you sit there and you scratch your head and you're like, what the hell do they mean? But to obviously crypto people, it's obvious what they mean. But to newbies, you don't know what these sayings mean. You don't know how to get your money from your exchange over to a new lending platform. You don't know how to buy on any of the exchanges. So we're going to start doing some videos soon about the real basics. Now, obviously, if you've been in the crypto world, you don't need to watch these. This is just purely for the newbies. And in between those videos, we will have our usual content, which hopefully will be of interest to you guys and will add some value to YouTube. If you do like it, please let us know by hitting the like buttons. The algorithms on YouTube apparently go by this, and we really would like some more subscribers. We want to give a big thank you to those big YouTubers who have given us a really good shout out. We've had a few recently, and we really do appreciate that. You know, we're trying to build our channel and give some value to people and help people if we can. Again, what we recommend is you have a real good diversity of your investments. Don't get involved with one platform, you know, make sure you have that diversity. If you can buy some altcoins, not everybody likes doing that. We've got altcoins, we do staking, and we also do lending platforms. We make sure if one goes down, we've still got lots of others going. And remember, it is a very, very risky business coming into this lending platform area. You could possibly lose all your money, so make sure you only put in money that is generated from the ICOs that you enter. And if you don't understand what I'm trying to say, go onto our videos and see the one that helps you understand how to lend with money that isn't yours, as in you started with one initial investment and you've managed to turn that money into enough that you can split between different lending platforms, so you're never ever playing with your own money. There is a video on our channel about this, and if you're not sure where it is, let me know and I will find it for you. But it will really help. And then obviously if a platform exit scams, yes, it's not great, you've lost that money, but it wasn't yours to start with, so you haven't damaged your financial situation, and I think that's the key. We're here to make money. We'll bring you the platforms we think ourselves are good. You have to do your research, watch all the different YouTubers, see what you think. Some of them you might feel, no, it's not for me, and others you might think, yeah, it is. You know, we're the same. We don't go in everything. At the moment, we've got Chrysos, we've got FineCoin, we may have a bit of ThornCoin, but not a lot. We're in Davor. Davor's a little bit worrying at the moment, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's just January blues. January's always slow in crypto. Always, always, always. Everything dives. So we'll see in February what happens with that. It's gone on a little bit long now, so is it on its way out? Who knows? So our strategy is we take our interest out every day anyway, so if it did decide to go, it's no big deal. But hopefully not. Hopefully Davor's strong, and as soon as we get out of January and it all picks up, the markets pick up, everything will start picking up, it'll sort itself out. What else are we in? We're in Bit AI. Can't wait for that one. That's one of my favourites. Customer service is fantastic. They use a real AI, and it's all looking very, very promising. We are also in Lupex. Lupex. I like that name. And so, you know, we're in a fair few. I think we're in a couple of others as well. Hedge Connect we're in, although that's not one of my favourites, but we're in it. And I can't think of anything else. I think we're in quite a few. See, what we do, because I've got a really bad memory, we write everything down in a folder. So all our platforms, all our investments, whether it's altcoins and all our staking, is put in a folder, and it's all listed. Because if I didn't have my folder, I'd forget. So I've got a busy life. We've got horses. We've got pets here. We have work to do. You know, we're not sitting here all day on the computer doing crypto, although I'd love to do that, maybe in the future. So I have to write it down. If I don't write it down, I forget. And I suggest if you're new to crypto, get yourself a folder, and when you do a loan or you're doing any investment, write down what you've done, how many tokens, because trust me, once you get into a few ICOs, you'll forget how many you've bought, and then you'll be scratching your head thinking, right, how many ICOs how many tokens did I buy, what did I spend on them, what return on my interest am I going to get or should get, blah, blah, blah. So write it all down. It makes a lot more sense. So as I said, our channel's changing slightly. We're going to see how it works with the photos instead of the Union Jacks. Let us know what you think down below. That'd be great. And just touching on one of them we are invested in, just switching back to the lending platforms. Chrysos. It was delayed by 3 hours apparently. I was asleep when this was announced, so I have heard that this morning. However, when I did wake up, it's 1 day. So 1 day, 35 minutes and 38, 37, 36, 35, 34 and so on seconds. So we've got to wait another day. Now, this is not a bad thing. I'm actually quite pleased about this because they've delayed it, means they're really working hard behind the scenes. Now, I would much rather a platform get it right first time, make sure it's absolutely working seamlessly before putting it out there. And obviously they're working very hard to get this right if they've had to delay it. So one more day, hey, we've waited this long, it doesn't matter. Quite excited about Chrysos. I've been a little bit on and off with this because every time I look at the name I see Cry SOS, and that was a bit of a warning sign for me. I was like, oh, is that a sign? Is it a sign? Is it going to go down? But I don't think so. Chrysos in Greek, if you didn't know, apparently means gold. So let's hope we all make some gold in this. But yeah, it looks pretty good, and the fact they've delayed it, that's good in my book, and hopefully it'll all come up before we know it, and we'll all be making money. We are going to lend in Chrysos. We are also going to take some out, and we're also going to stake, hopefully, if they do staking. I can't remember. But otherwise, we are going to lend. So we need to support these platforms. So, you know, yes, take out as much as you can, but also try and lend some as well. We need to keep lending as well to support them, otherwise they won't work. So it's in our interest, it's in their interest, and it's in everybody's interest. So anyway, I hope you have a lovely day. As I say, it's 8:26 a.m. in the morning here in the UK. It's really cold, waiting for the spring. The daffodils are actually just coming up in the bulbs, which is really nice to see. And please leave your comments below. Again, just remember, just watch all the other YouTubers as well. Make up your own mind about what you want to invest in. Nobody's financial advisors on these YouTube videos, not one person that I know of. We're all here documenting our journey into crypto and trying to help each other, and that's what the key is. It's about helping and supporting, and when the chips are down, we pull each other up and say, come on, we can do this, we can get on with this. And there's a new ICO here that looks great. And there are a lot of wins, so don't get discouraged with all the scams and the exit scams, and there are a lot. I think Kistino did a chart, and we reeled off 26 in the last month and a half. That's a lot of exit scams. But on the other flip side, there are a lot of good ones as well, and there's a lot of money to be made. So do your research, listen to lots of YouTubers, and make your own mind up. And if there's any issues, any questions, please feel free to ask. If I don't know, I will reach out to a more experienced YouTuber and see if they know the answer. But most of the time we can answer most of the questions. So it's lovely to have you here, and it's lovely to hear you getting involved and, you know, commenting below. So hit the subscribe button, click that bell, and we'll speak soon. Oh, and PS, just to let you know, Jan and I have decided that once a week, I think we'll start next week, once a week we're going to have like a live channel chat. I don't know what we'll call it, chitty chat with Jan and Joe, or I don't know, coffee with Jan and Joe, or live chat with Jan and Joe, or gossip with Jan and Joe, don't know. Because Jan's never very, well, she's never really on here talking, she's always in the background. So we just thought it'd be quite nice just for all of us to get together, not necessarily all about crypto, but just about things that have been going on in the week, how we're feeling, how you guys are feeling about stuff, what drama's got on, because the men in crypto have lots of drama. The men in crypto have more drama than women. And just talk about what's been going on, our thoughts on it, and just a general chat. It's going to be very relaxed and very informal. So if you want to join us, we will put out a video soon and let you know. It'll be a set time every week, hopefully, so that you can, you know, let's say it's 7 o'clock on a Sunday evening, and Jan and I will sit down and be live and just have a chat with you, which I think will be really nice. We want to be normal in this mad crazy world of crypto. We want to just come across as normal, hopefully we do, and enjoy the experience and share what happens in this crazy crypto world, because it is exciting. We are scratching the surface of crypto. It's becoming more mainstream. It will change. A week in crypto is like a year, so things change so fast. Regulations will come in, different platforms will come in. It just changes all the time, and it'd be nice to catch up and just share our thoughts on this. We're here to enjoy the space just as you are, so stay kind, look after each other, and we'll speak soon.
Money can buy happiness, then why is it so fabulous?